I invite you to find a comfortable position, one which allows your body to fully relax and let go. Allow your shoulders to drop and melt. Allow your breathing to become fluid and easy. Reminding yourself that meditation isn't about trying to create a particular state, but a relaxing, a letting go, a remembering of the peace that is already here. Allow awareness to reveal to you now your natural, uncontrived state. Allow yourself to fall into this peace which surpasses all understanding. In this meditation, we aren't endeavoring to make anything happen. Our meditation isn't about earning or deserving or creating a certain state. It certainly isn't about effort or struggle. It's about something deeper than all of that. It's about a letting go and a willingness to see in a new way. I invite you now to set a clear intention. Are you willing to release any belief that there's anything wrong with you? Are you willing to open and feel the wholeness that you are? Are you willing to accept a forgiveness that you've never had to earn? The beautiful thing about grace is that it really doesn't care what we think about it. It doesn't care how we feel about it. It doesn't care how much resistance we've built up against it. It's not interested in our ideas of how good or bad we think we are, how worthy or unworthy we've conditioned ourselves to feel. All grace asks is, are you willing? Are you willing? Just how much love are you open to receiving? How much longer do you want to try and earn the wholeness that you are? Or are you willing to simply receive your birthright? I invite you now to recall a time in your life when you knew deep in your being, in your bones and in your cells, that you were enough. You didn't have to earn enoughness, or be taught it, or study and memorize it. You simply knew you were complete. You were home, whole unto yourself. Can you reconnect now with that sense of fullness? Can you feel this beautiful vibrancy at your core? A sense of alignment, of unity, a deep appreciation of your place in the order of things. And is it possible that this grace, unlike what we've been taught for millennia, is not reserved for the angels and the saints and the holy ones, but that this grace, by its very nature, was made to be received by you? And is it possible that you don't have to earn it? Are you willing to let it in? I invite you to place your hand on your heart, for touching the heart invites it into the circle of belonging. And it doesn't matter if your heart is closed or open, wounded or hurting. It simply doesn't matter. It's welcome. At this table, it has always been welcome. And imagine, if you will, a tiny pinprick of light right in the center of your heart. Watch as it starts out ever so minute and flourishes in the light of your awareness. And as it expands and grows and permeates your belly, arms, legs, and torso, it beams down into the earth, into your feet, and up, up, up again to your head. Can you breathe in this light? Can you welcome it in? Can you allow yourself to receive it without trying to make it happen? What does receiving grace feel like? I invite you to check in now and see. In our society, we're gravitationally pulled into a trance, a collective belief in brokenness and lack, a belief that we need external redemption. But what if your openness, your innocence, your willingness to see is all that is being asked of you? Is it possible that it can all be as simple as a turning towards what you've turned away from? A reorientation, a remembering. I invite you now to let go of that old story of incompleteness, the story of lack, of maybe someday, one day in the future, and to exchange that story for this light that is radiating out of you now. You and I are human. We will never be perfect. And here is this grace anyway, flowing despite that. It doesn't care about your stories. It doesn't care about your beliefs of who or what you think you are. You who have been carrying this pain of separation for far too long. Are you ready to let it go? Because there is no pain like the pain of separation from who we truly are. I invite you to be what you are fully, to walk with this knowing, and to allow your presence to become an invitation for all to feel. And when you forget, and I forget, and we forget, let's allow that too. Let's allow ourselves to be a conduit of the grace that we all are. May you be well. May you be at peace. Namaste.